then it rolled.
Safe.
Then it like something back to get where it goes.
You videoing, Mike?
Mm-hmm.
And when you're ready, Mike.
There you hot?
I flipped the damn rabbit at 100 yards right first shot.
I got a 224 out there in the truck. And a large